No
Then
person, again, can you repeat please?
no person professing a religion other than Hinduism is deemed to be scheduled caste.
Okay.
Okay. Then in 1956, in what excuses the government gave a reservation to the Sikh people? Then in what reason the government
Sikh
gave
Dalit, you are saying Sikh.
Sikh Dalit? And when what?
People from different field, different church communities comes at Jantar Mantar to protest. They demand that the Dalit Muslim and Dalit Christians should be, the reservation should be given to the Dalit Christians and Dalit Muslims, because they belong to different churches. National Council of Churches in India, Catholic Bishop Conference of India, National Council of Dalit Christians, different communities, different Sangathan, all the people came here and they protest and they demand for Dalit reservation in minority, you can say in Christians and you can say in Muslim. Ma'am, what's your name and from which segment you belong?
I am Mary Scaria. I am a sister. I am Mary Scaria. I am also a practicing lawyer in the Supreme Court.
Okay.
I belong to I am a Christian. Basically, I am a Christian, and you can call it a Catholic Christian. Okay. Now, why I came here, I want to express my solidarity with the people who are denied of their right. We are not claiming anything mercy nahi hai. We are demanding the right which the constitution provides to other similarly
but
placed.
some people opposing you, they saying that on the basis of the religion there is no reservation. The reservation in basis on the caste and caste system in Hindus. In Islam, they say there is no caste system. Then how can you identify yourself?
So this is not in relation to the caste. It is in relation to the equal right which you have given to the similarly placed people, you see. We are not talking about there is casteism in the Christianity, etc., etc. That's not relevant issue. We are demanding, just listen. You have, the government has already given this provision, this reservation to the Buddhists who are scheduled caste, okay, who belong to scheduled caste.
This is a valid point.
So therefore, on the basis, the Constitution of India says, it's a fundamental right, which says that on the basis of your religion, caste, etc., you should not be discriminated.
You are saying that discrimination happens.
It's a discrimination, you see, when you are giving to others. The issue you should touch there. The basic point
if
of
you are giving to the Buddhist, then it should be given to the Christian and Muslim. You are saying.
Our contention is, you should not be making any discrimination on the basis of religion. See, certain people are belong to a religion. I said, I am
If
born.
they say that we can stop in Buddhist, then what?
Why not you want to give it to the Christians or the Muslims? That is our question. It is on the basis of religion you are making a discrimination which is against the fundamental right, against the Constitution of India. We are against that policy of the government. Okay. And if you remember, Ranganatha Mishra Commission, Justice Ranganatha Mishra Commission had already said this in his report that it should be given to the Christian community also, because Christian community who are Dalit.
My question is, how can government identify that this segment is Dalit? Because when you convert, there may be some system in which you adopted the caste will go on or not.
While ago you spoke about the Buddhists. How did the government make arrangements, or how did the government find they are Buddhists belonging to the Dalit Buddhists? How did the government make such an assessment? Okay. Similarly, this commission report very clearly says that who are the Dalit Christians.
Okay.
I happen to am a Dalit. I like to become a Christian or whatever it is. Anybody has a choice to become. Suppose I want to become a Hindu tomorrow. I have my constitution. My fundamental right permits me to do that. You cannot stop me saying that you should not go. Similarly,
you are saying that as in Hindu, you have the two identities. Suppose one identity as a religion, I am Hindu, and second identity, I am Dalit. So you are saying in the Islam and Christianity, there should be a two type of identity. One is then the caste system is there.
You struck the chord. Okay, that's the correct thing. We are not the issue of caste or etc. Give the justice, give equality, like you are giving to other similarly placed scheduled caste. Okay.
1950 presidential order says in the beginning, no person professing a religion other than Hinduism is deemed to be scheduled caste. Okay, that is the original order. Okay.
No
Then
person, again, can you repeat please?
No person professing a religion other than Hinduism is deemed to be scheduled caste.
Okay.
Okay. Then in 1956, in what excuses the government gave a reservation to the Sikh people? Then in what reason the government
Sikh
gave
Dalit, you are saying Sikh.
Sikh Dalit? And in what reason the government gave to Buddhist in 1990? So if that amendment can be done for the Sikhism and Buddhism, why not to the Christians and Muslims of Dalit Arjit? Because by mere change of religion does not change a person's socio-economical or educational status or cultural status. We are same.
Some people saying that when you go to the Buddhism and when you go to the Sikhism, they all two religions near to the Hindu religion. They have the same system because they all are origin from the India, basis of India. But in Islam the fundamental. It means they uplift the.
They should be uplifted for living a very dignified life.
One more thing is that everyone has given to the general caste in which.
That's exactly the education. What is the criteria? Please study the criteria for giving SC status to others, irrespective of the religion that they belong to. Here, Madam has already spoken. Mary Scaria has spoken. She's a Supreme Court advocate. Okay, I am also speaking as an advocate that. Caste system, what you are saying, as per the religion neutral, Muslims and Christians, our holy scripture says there is no caste. But in reality, let me tell you, in reality,
you are exposing the Christianity.
Let me tell you, that is a Supreme Court.
Okay.
That's a Supreme Court case. Please follow the Supreme Court case. What's happening right now? They are asking, show us what percentage of people are economically poor. What percentage of people, what is the economic status, what is the educational status, which is, we are not exposing, that's a reality. And country has to assess and say, come out that truth saying that why are we differentiating people just because they are Muslims and just because they are Christians?
My question is on the reservation on the basis of social injustice.
Discrimination based on religion.
My question is, the social discrimination happen in the Varna Vyavastha in Hindus, but in Christianity, in Muslim, there is no Varna Vyavastha. Then how can you define?
You say that
Pasmanda Muslims are there, my dear Pasmanda Muslims are there. I can take you in Delhi. I will take you with the Delhi activist movements who are working for Pasmanda Muslims. I am colleague to them and they are working for upliftment. That's Pasmanda is Dalit Muslim.
They have reservation in OBC?
No, that OBC...
some caste of the Muslim.
No. Let me tell you, OBC does not actually cover this down strata of Dalit.
Okay.
And that is what is the contradiction, what you need to understand.
Even if I become a Christian, a Dalit Christian, a Dalit person, originally SC, if I become Christian also, my Dalitnet doesn't go. Okay. I carry that scar, that mark, that is I am branded as a Dalit, continues to be there. Practices, you see, in the world, the Christian...
There are different churches, but what kind of...
that churches, and there is no different churches means different denomination.
That's why I'm asking.
There is a branches of the church, there's a Baptist, a Catholic, a Lutheran, all these things. But Dalits are in everywhere the same condition. All the churches.
Dalit are Dalit. They are Muslim, they are Hindu, they are Christian, no matter. You are saying this.
Yes.
That is about religion you belong to. Dalits are Dalits.
Dalits are Dalit.
Yeah.
Can Brahmin accept as a Brahmin? since I became a Christian, they will not accept it. We will be treated as a Dalit. They cannot. Okay.
Yeah, that struggle continues today for the entire. No matter you change your religion here, by changing the religion, rightly we've said, socio-economic situation doesn't change,
Even cultural,
and therefore the discrimination continues to perpetuate from one generation to another. And that is what we are. What
I want to say one more thing. The social, sister correctly, your father was saying, correctly said, social and economic situation won't change. That itself shows that we are not providing anybody who is converting themselves or receiving Christianity is not given any. We are not giving them anything. You understand? No.
देखिए कितना जो लोग ये कह रहे हैं वो साफ साफ ये कह रहे हैं कि आप किसी भी धर्म परिवर्तन कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, लेकिन दलित दलित ही रहता है। वो मुसलमान हो जाए, वो ईसाई हो जाए, वो कुछ भी हो जाए, और दलित दलित रहता है। दूसरी मोटी बात इन्होंने ये कहा कि सिखों को और बौद्धों में जब दलितों को आइडेंटिफाई करके रिजर्वेशन दिया गया तो हमें क्यों नहीं दिया गया, क्योंकि हम मुस्लिम और क्रिश्चियन हो गए। दलित एक ऐसी छाप है, दलित होना एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपका धर्म बदलने से भी आपकी आइडेंटिटी के साथ जुड़ी रहती है, ऐसा इनका कहना है। यहाँ तक कि क्रिश्चियनिटी में और इस्लाम में कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है दलित का, क्योंकि हिंदुज़्म में तो वर्ण व्यवस्था थी, वहाँ तो 4 वर्ण थे, लेकिन ये वर्ण व्यवस्था जो दलित वाला मैटर है वो कह रहे हैं कि अब ये सच्चाई है, आप माने या ना माने। पसमंदा मुसलमानों का इन्होंने कहा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें कहा कि चेंज तो कर लिया धर्म, ईसाई क्रिश्चियन हो गए या मुस्लिम हो गए, लेकिन दलित ही रहे, उनको वहां भी वो मान और सम्मान और अधिकार नहीं मिला जो मिलना चाहिए। आपको क्या लगता है, ये आपका विषय है, देखते रहिए।